Hi guys, good morning. How are you all out there? I'm happy to be with you today, since the tax season is gonna officially start this Monday. So I thought to let you know, if you've been asking, should I file taxes? Do I have a filing requirement or not? So I'm gonna be answering your I'm gonna answer your questions here. My name is Noura, a tax and accounting professional and the founder of Noura's Books, and I'm here to help you to go through this tax season, to file for your individual taxes, business taxes, or if you have nonprofit. I can help you with all these needs, and I'm committed to educate you so you know what's your requirements, what's your right, and what you need to know to make an informed decision and to be able to tell if you're missing out on anything or not, or what you should do. So today I'm going to answer this question for you, which is do I have a filing requirement? To answer this question, let me just go through three status. If you are single for 2021, if you are single, let me check the number here. If you're making $12,000 $550 for 2021, if you have made that amount of money, then yes, you have a filing requirement. If you are married filing jointly, if you both made $25,100 in 2021, then yes, you have a filing requirement. If you are qualified for the head of household, then your filing requirements goes up. So not goes up so the amount goes up. So if you have to be making $18,000 and $800, so $18,800 to have a filing requirement. Well, saying that doesn't mean you cannot file. Of course you cannot file, and you should file. According to IRS, each year millions of taxpayers miss out on money just because they did not file. They think, oh, we don't have a filing requirement. Some people mistakenly think if they are not living in the US, they don't have to file, but yes, you do have to file. You have a very high exemption. You can make over 100K. That changes every year, and you don't have to file until you you still have to file, but you don't have to pay taxes on that foreign income until you surpass that threshold. So, but you still have to file. But and also, if you are self-employed, then your filing requirements starts at $400. So if you're making $400 and you are self-employed, then you do have to file, because then you are required to pay self-employment taxes, which covers your Social Security and Medicare. So just pay attention to this requirement. And there's several more specific thing. Each one have a different situation. I won't have time to cover everything on this video, but if you have a specific question, let me know. I'll be happy to talk to you about it and to get you all the fact that you want to know about this thing. Now what I want to say actually, and I want to emphasize that if you do not file your return to claim the refund that IRS owe you, maybe because they charge you from your paycheck, even if it's small, then there's no way to claim the refund, because anything under that threshold I mentioned, the filing requirements amounts, that you will get back. But if you don't file your taxes, then this is the IRS property, not the IRS, the Treasury Department property, and you will never get that money unless you file before the 3 years from the filing dates pass. So let's say the due date usually is April 15 if it's a normal year, not crazy year as the years passed. So April 15. So 3 years from April 15, you have to file to be able to claim your refund. Other than that, like if you have a filing requirement, you must file, but even if you are due for refund, they won't return that, they don't get you that money because you lost your opportunity by not staying in compliance. So pay attention and make sure you don't miss out on your money. Like, get your money, make sure you get your money. So another thing you would miss out of if you didn't file, and even if you have small income, sometimes you are qualified for earned income tax credits, and that could be several thousand dollars. That could give you some boost for your year. Buy something or save those money, because it's your money. Technically, it's your you have the right to ask for this money even if you didn't make it, because that's what it is for, to support you. So if you didn't file, you will not be able to get your money, your credit, any credit you might be eligible to. If you don't file, you won't be able to do that. And let me see if I have to cover anything else for you on this video today. In the meantime, if you have any question, please say it below and I'll be happy to answer it. Okay, I think I covered everything that I was planning to cover for you today. Make sure you file regardless if you have a requirement or not. We all saw that, like, during last year and the year before, stimulus check, like if you didn't file before, if you don't have a history of filing, like you won't be able to get your stimulus check. And yeah, they had that registration, but it took longer for those who never filed for their taxes to get that stimulus check. While, like, if you are filing regularly, regardless what's the situation, if you have a filing requirement or not, then you wouldn't have to wait. Yeah, anything comes up, you will be in the system and everything goes to you first before those people who are not in the system. So make sure you file your taxes, and if you need help with anything, I'll be happy to help you. If you have specific questions, feel free to book a call with me. Otherwise, like, if you're ready to get your taxes done, feel free to book your appointment today with me. Not book it, well, you can book your appointments. But another thing is you can directly onboard yourself. So onboard yourself for on my secured portal. It's a client portal, so I put the link on the bio for you. Onboard with Noura, so you can onboard yourself, and one of my team member or myself will be in contact with you within 24 hours to get you scheduled and get you onboarded and started with filing your taxes and preparing your documentation, help you prepare well so you can file as soon as possible before you missed out on anything. So, and also give you some time to get your papers together, and if you have a refund, to get it as soon as possible, because we saw last year people who filed earlier, they get their refund faster. So make sure you don't miss out. File your return. If you have more than 1 year of filing return, please go ahead and book your appointment. Onboard yourself now. I can help you also, me and my team, to get you caught up with tax filing and get you those refund if you do refund. If you are due for refund before it's expired, and Treasury Department keeps that. So let me know if you have any question. Again, onboard yourself today, and I'm looking forward to serve you all this tax season. Talk to you soon.